going on and shifting our focus to protests that have been reported from Jammu Kashmir. Some local BJP netas have started a protest after the BJP released its first list of candidates for the upcoming Jammu Kashmir polls. Remember, the list was first released, then they withdrew it, made some amendments. An amended list was put out. We have some reactions coming in.
18 साल से जैसे एक बच्चा स्कूल में निकल के जाता है, मैं सुबह से लेकर शाम तक भारतीय जनता पार्टी का कार्यकर्ता था और पूरा दिन समाज को जोड़ने के लिए जिस टाइम पे मैंने अपने घर में झंडा लगाया था, लोग भारतीय जनता पार्टी का झंडा नहीं लगाते थे अपने घर में। ठीक है, आज मेरे साथ नाइंसाफी हुई है। कल जो पैराशूट से एसएसपी मोहनलाल की परसों ज्वाइनिंग होती है जहाँ पे, और आज उसका मैंडेट दिया जाता है। अगर ये मैंडेट नहीं बदला गया तो इसका खामियाजा भारतीय जनता पार्टी को भुगतना पड़ेगा।
क्या आप प्रोटेस्ट करेंगे या क्या?
प्रोटेस्ट कार्यकर्ता करेंगे, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता हैं, पार्टी के अंदर रह के ही विरोध करेंगे।
क्या चाहते हैं कि ये मैंडेट
बदला जाए, ये मैंडेट बदला जाए।
So you heard one of the reactions. BJP netas and local karyakartas angry and upset over ticket being denied to them and being given to parachute candidates, as one of them pointed out. Also warning that the protest will continue if the candidate is not changed by the High Command, by the BJP. We have more reactions coming in.
उनके 50 एलिगेशन है, पैसा खाने वाले लोग हैं जो किसी ग्राउंड पे किसी की मदद नहीं करते, किसी का काम नहीं करते, उन लोगों को टिकट दी जा रही है। ये पार्टी पहचानी जाती है गरीबों की पार्टी। हम अशोक कौर से मिलने हैं, हम उनसे पूछ रहे हैं, आपने हमें इतने दिनों से, अगर आपने हमें विश्वास दिया था टिकट ओमी खजूरिया को दी जाएगी, आज उन्होंने टिकट क्यों श्यामलाल शर्मा को दी है? जबकि कार्यकर्ता का वोट लिए, कार्यकर्ता का वोट सारे ओमी खजूरिया के साथ है, फिर श्यामलाल की टिकट कैसे हो सकती है? फिर इसका मतलब कार्यकर्ता को बेवकूफ समझते हैं हमें।
All right, so protests taking place at the BJP office in Jammu and Kashmir. That's what we're given to understand. These are the local karyakartas, local netas who are protesting against the candidates who have been given tickets. Some of them. Let me in fact go across to Pradeep Datta. Pradeep, we heard the reactions coming in. Some of them, of course, are upset that tickets were not given to them. They're also opposing the candidates who've been selected.
Tickets had been given to the turncoats because Shyamlal Sharma is the one who has got the ticket from the Jammu North. And they are the supporters of Omi Khajuria, who is also a Zilla Adhyaksh from that region. They said that Omi Khajuria should have been given the ticket because he's associated with the party from the very beginning. And these people had been associated with the Congress because, and now they had joined BJP. That doesn't mean that they should be considered above Omi Khajuria. So that's one of the reasons that today they are protesting outside BJP office and they are raising slogans. They want that this ticket should go to Omi Khajuria. They say that this way they are setting a very wrong precedent. The people who are turncoats, they are being preferred because in list that was declared earlier, there were about 44 candidates. Among the 44 candidates, that 8 of them were the turncoats, which included people from National Conference, which included people from the PDP, and even also Congress and some of them from the Jammu Kashmir National Panthers Party. So worse fear is coming through. The people are right now protesting and raising slogans. They are saying that they should change the list. And that's one of the reasons. Somewhere there was a kind of a pressure. That's one of the reasons we have seen that initially the list that was declared, that has been withdrawn. Now it's only the list of the 15 candidates that is the first list that is out, because there are people who are feeling upset over this list. They feel that they are working with the party for the last several years. So they say it's their due right to get a ticket, because after 10 years when you're conducting an election, and so if the BJP candidate is not getting a ticket and somebody who is the turncoat is getting a ticket, that's not really a good thing. So that's what actually they are saying, and they are right now protesting outside the office. Let's see what actually the party and High Command is going to do in this regard for the second and the third phase. Are they going to change certain candidates? Is only the time will tell. But so far, the first list of 15 candidates is out, and that list remains almost similar. No change in that list.
All right, Pradeep, thank you very much for getting us the details. Keep tracking all the developments. For now, we're slipping into a very short break.